Happy Wednesday again, everybody. So I did not do a video last week, just enjoying the holidays, as I hope everybody else did. But we have some interesting developments this week, just specifically today. Fed had some interesting notes with Powell coming out today, pretty much sparking the full bull market again, it felt like today. So some pretty interesting stuff to kind of keep watch on. Still, we need to break over that 275 area and hold, and then break over the 280s and hold again in order for me to call this, essentially a recovery rally. Last week we were pretty much headed right back for the lows, got saved there, and now we're back into basically flat for the year. So some of the key areas, one of the things that I looked at today specifically was NBEV again, one of those names that on that farm bill information that came out today just absolutely scorched. So this is one of the names and the entire sector again to kind of pay attention to. So CGC, Cron, all those names that are all marijuana related is another spot to start paying attention to. So just kind of be aware of that. There was also another interesting thing. They've come back in the last 2 days defending themselves. So there was an article recently on ad tech fraud with injection information as far as auto robots clicking. Whole big ad tech thing to kind of pay attention to in my eyes that I've been reading about for the last 6-7 months or longer. They came out and defended, said no, our SDKs are not what's actually injecting this. So it was Cheetah Mobile. It was a BuzzFeed article that kind of came out slamming them based off of that. But the whole kind of sector, one of the areas that I'm specifically looking at is Criteo. They also had a note that came out that PDD was interested in purchasing them not too long ago, but they were concerned with valuations. So that's going to be one of the names that I'm going to pay attention to, as they are a big player in the ad tech space. Some other interesting information that is out there that I urge people to look up to, kind of give you an idea of why this is an area of interest for me. Moving on to Bitcoin. Last time we talked, it was pretty much stalled. I believe it might have just had that first crack day, but today it had one of the biggest relief moves. Hard to see it on the futures, but a relatively pretty strong move today as far as the rebound goes. Still kind of full in bear territory, and I kind of expect this to at least test maybe 2000s in the coming weeks. Would love that it doesn't, but at the moment it's just kind of a trading vehicle as far as on big washouts, that type of thing. So hopefully everybody has a great rest of the week, and I will talk at you next week.